Hello guys, in this video we have to see the exercise depend on matrices as per the NCERT. In previous video we have see all the types of matrices, and in this video we have to see the exercise 3.1, that is exercise on matrices. So we have first question. In the matrix A and that elements that they have given, write the order of the matrix, the number of elements, and write the elements or elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So we have seen what is the order of matrix, what is the definition of order of matrix. That order of matrix, we have number of rows and number of columns in the given matrix, that is the order of matrix. So the number of rows, 3 rows are there, 1, 2 and 3 rows. So we can write 3 rows, and columns 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 columns and 4 columns. So we can write order of matrix is matrix is 3 by 4. Here the order of matrix is 3 by 4, that means 3 rows and 4 columns. Then next, the number of elements. Next question is that they have asked us that how many numbers are there in the given matrix A. So we have a trick to find this answer. So we have to just make this multiplication and we will get number of elements in the any given matrix. So its multiplication is 12. Therefore the number of elements in given matrix are 12. Total elements, the number of total elements in the given matrix are 12. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the third one, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So in this question we have to compare this matrix with the general matrix. That general matrix is A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24. And last row A31, A32, A33, A34. On comparing both matrices, we will get A13 as first row, third column, that is this element, first row, third column. So A13 is 19. Then A21, that is second row and first column, that we will get this, that is 35. Then next A33, that A33 is third row and third column. So this is 1, that is minus 5, and A24 like that. A24, that is A24, this element 2 4, that is 12, and A23 2 3 मतलब second row and third column, that means 5/2. Okay, then next, now first question, construct a 2/2 matrix A equals to Aij where elements are given by Aij equals to in bracket I plus 2j bracket square divided by 2. So we have to construct a matrix of order 2/2. That means we have to construct this matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, we have to construct this matrix, and here I and j, that is row and column. So we take first element A equals to, we will write all the elements in this matrix. So first A11 equals to 1 means this I, and another one is this j, that means row and column. So 1 plus 2 into 1 bracket square divided by 2, that is equals to 3 square by 2, that is 9/2. The first element is 9/2. Then another one A12, that means first row and second column. So the I is 1 and j is 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2 bracket square divided by 2, that is equals to 1 plus 4 square divided by 2, which is equals to 25/2, and another element 25/2. Then next E21, that is I is 2 here, and j is 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1 bracket square divided by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 2 square divided by 2, 16/2, which is equals to 8. And last one is E22 equals to 2 plus 2 into 2 bracket square divided by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 4 bracket square divided by 2, 36/2, which is equals to 18. And here 18. So we have a 2/2 matrix, that is matrix A 9/2, 25/2, 8 and 18. We have got this solution. Now construct a 3/4 matrix whose elements are given by these formula. So 3 by 4 matrix, that is 3 rows and 4 columns. So the number of elements are 12. That elements are A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A25, A31, A32, A33, A34. So the first A11, here I is 1 and j is also 1. So the 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 equals to 1 by 2 into mod minus 2, which is equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1. The value of A11 is 1. Then next A12, 1 by 2 minus 3 into, here value of I is 1 plus 2, that is 1 value of I and j equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. A1 3 equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 3 equals to 1 by 2. 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to, this will become 0, and 0 into any term, that is equals to 0. So A13 becomes 0. Then next A14 equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 into 1 plus 4, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4 equals to 1. A14 also becomes, we will make, we will A12, A14 also 1. Then next A21, A21 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5, that is 5 by 2. So the value of A12 is 5 by 2. Then A22 equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 2 equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2 equals to 1 by 2 into minus 4, which is equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. So the value of a22 is 2. Then next a23, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3, which is equals to 3 by 2. The value of a23 is 3 by 2. Then next a24 equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 4 equals to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4 equals to 1 by 2 minus 2 equals to 2 by 2. 1 by 2 mod minus 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2, that is 2 by 2 equals to 1. Therefore the value of a24 is 1. Then next for the third row, a31 equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 8, which is equals to 4. a31 is 4. Then next a32 equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod 9 minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9 plus 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 7, which is equals to 7 by 2. So the value of a32 is 7 by 2. Then next a33 equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 3, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 9 plus 3, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 6, which is equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. So the value of a33 is 3. And last one a34, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 4, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4, which is equals to 1 by 2 into mod minus 5, that is 5 by 2, and the last element will be 5 by 2. 5 by 2. In this way we have constructed the matrix A of order 3 by 4, that is 1 1 by 2 0 1 5 by 2 2 3 by 2 1 4 7 by 2 3 5 by 2. Now find the value of x, y and z from the following equation. We have to find the value of x, y and z from these equations. By the equality we can write this as x plus y plus z equals to 9. This is equation number first. Then next x plus y equals to 5, equation number second, and y plus z equals to 7, equation number 3. Okay, so we have this value y plus z equals to 7, and in this first equation we have y plus z. So we can write, putting the value of equation 3 in equation first, we get value of equation 3 in equation first, we get x plus 7 equals to 9, and from on solving this, x equals to 9 minus 7, which is equals to x equals to 2. Now we can put this value, put x equals to 2 in second equation. In second equation we get, what will we get? 2 plus y, 2 plus y equals to 5. Then y equals to 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. Y equals to 3. And then z, we got y equals to 3. Now put this y equals to 3, put y equals to 3 in third equation. In third equation we get y equals to 3, that is 3 plus z equals to 7, and therefore z equals to 7 minus 3, which is equals to z equals to 4. Therefore we have all the values that x equals to 2, y equals to 3 and z equals to 4. We have all the three values.